Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying eligibility and checking your rewards balance now. Open Google Play and tap your profile. Once done, review the rewards section to see credits and expiration dates. Make sure your Google account, payment profile, and region match the rewards eligibility. Mismatches block redemption. If you earn promotional credits, note whether they apply to apps, movies, or subscriptions. Immediately record the available amount and any fine print. This prevents surprises when you attempt to spend. Next, you select what to buy and apply the reward during checkout. Search or open the item, app, subscription, or media, then tap Buy. At the payment screen, choose your Google Play balance or promotional credit. Once selected, you'll see the adjusted total. If the credit is less than the price, the remainder charges your primary payment method, so make sure it's valid. If buying a subscription, confirm recurring charges won't override one-time promo credits. Save the receipt and note remaining balance. Finally, complete the purchase and verify the updated Play balance and receipt. You should see credits deducted instantly. Once done, open Subscriptions or Library to confirm access. If something goes wrong, first clear Google Play cache, force stop the app, and install any pending Play Store updates, then retry. Make sure your device's date/time and region settings are correct. If redemption still fails, capture the order ID and contact Google support for help. Provide the ID and screenshot to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.